Bwanyuma y'emyaka erikurenga omuri eshatu obwo yaabire mukuru wa banka enkuru ya Uganda Professor Emmanuel Mutebere afa omu irwariro rya Nairobi izooba eri mukuru w'ihanga His Excellency Museveni arikurabira aha mikutu ya karamagezi yahamya okuronda kwa Mr. Michael Atingego obiire nakora nka acting governor kuba niwe yaba mukuru wa banka egi kandi yagaruka yahamya Professor Augustus Nwagaba kuba omuhwezi we
kwa Dr. Atingo okumukakasa nga governor omugivu wa Bank of Uganda tumuyozayoza era twagala okuyozayoza ne president okukola ekyo ekituufu kyasaanidde okukola kubanga ssemateeka bw'agamba nti no wanaabangawo governor wa Bank of Uganda n'omumyuka we.
I congratulate Professor Nwagaba, who has also been appointed as the Deputy Governor. He's also a seasoned economist. I think the two are very good people that we think that can be able to manage and run the central bank.
Bitabandi bararuka abakuraba abahebwe emirimo ngo bine byingi ebibine garukamu.
It has been long overdue, but of course the president has taken his studies to make sure that he gets the rightful persons.
Umuntu abire deputy governor wa governor Mutebire the late. You cannot turukubasa kugira ngo tarukubasa mulimo nagubasa, so it was the right choice.
Chera ligizira cyanaku nnyo kuba nti government eri serious ezolo kutwala emyaka 3 n'ekitundu okuva 2022 kuva 2022 twafirwa Emmanuel Mutebire mpaka kati nga tuna governor wa banka ya Uganda oba governor wa banka enkulu. It was 2022.
Abantu baza kuzomu kakiiko ka parliament akara kushwizuma abo bona abari kuba baronzerwe mukuru w'ihanga.
With the wisdom that God gives and a grounding in the law, a judicial officer can go through those daily trials over and over again as they run through their career.
As a practitioner, I've been practicing law for the 25 years, and for that I can tell you one thing: there's a lot of backlog and a lot of cases, and it's a welcome thing that now funds have been put into appointing judges, so we needed more judges.